Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how I draw the mouth. It's a part of a series of drawing the elements of the face. And as always, I start by marking everything that I want to draw. As always, I never start with a single detail. So I know that the moment I hit the paper with my pencil, that I cannot and will not be correct. And therefore I use open, soft, light lines, and I slowly mark what it is that I want to draw. And I am prepared to move everything once I get to know the object that I'm drawing a little bit better. Find the middle line. On any element that you draw, whether that is the face, the nose, a finger, a leg, or a flower, there will always be middle lines to consider and to draw, especially at the beginning of a drawing. I recommend that you draw from side to side, so you never finish one little element or one little area, but you always want to draw, especially in the beginning, everywhere. Remember that proportions are one size compared to another. So it's always by comparison that proportions will work or not work. And therefore it's a very, very good idea, especially for beginners, but basically for everyone, to have a good overview of everything that you want to draw. I also softly mark areas of where I have light and where I have shadow. It's easier for me to understand proportions and shape if I can break it up in these more abstract shapes, such as the shape of light and the shape of shadow. I darken now the border between light and shadow, and then I add the shape of shadow, so I have it very clearly described, and then I work in layers. So I don't finish, I work layer on top of layer on top of layer. And depending on how long I have to finish a drawing, the more intricate these layers will be. Now this is a short drawing, and had I had 30 hours for it, it would have looked much more detailed and darker. So here's the result. I hope you like it. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel and go also to our Instagram and follow us there. Keep on drawing and have fun.